So it's a beautiful morning outside. You just took a shower and you're ready to have some breakfast. But once you open the fridge, you realize you don't know what to make for breakfast today. So you were thinking maybe like some scrambled eggs? No, you already had scrambled eggs the past 3 days. Some quesadillas? No, you don't feel like having quesadillas today. So you start going through Google. Maybe you'll find some ideas there. But you realize that a lot of the recipes there require tons of ingredients that you don't have. If this sounds like you, then look no further. This video will show you how to make some simple and delicious flourless pancakes. For these pancakes, you're going to need 2 bananas, some old-fashioned oats, 2 eggs, some cinnamon, and some vanilla extract. To prepare the pancakes, you're going to need a blender, your cooking spray, mine is butter flavored, a bowl and a fork, and of course your frying pan and spatula. Before we start cooking, we should take some precautions so we don't cause any accidental fires or accidentally activate the fire alarm. One of the first things to do is open the window so there's better airflow throughout the room. Next, you should activate the oven hood fan and turn on the light so you can see better. Also, remove any items that may be on top of the stove. We don't want anything catching on fire today. Now we can start making the batter for our flourless pancakes. Let's start by adding a banana to the bowl and lightly mashing it with a fork. Let's speed up the process, since this may take a little while. Now we can add the following ingredients: 2 eggs, vanilla extract, and cinnamon. Now we're going to grab our blender jar and add a cup of oats. Lastly, to finish our batter, we're going to get the blended oats and mix it with the rest of the ingredients. Now we're going to turn on the stove to a medium-low setting. Now add your cooking spray to the pan. Make sure to spread evenly, that way your pancake doesn't stick and it's easier to flip. Wait 2 minutes for it to heat up and then add the batter to the pan. Cook one side for around 1 or 2 minutes or until the bottom appears to be set, and flip with a spatula and do the same for the other side.
Wow, sí me salió bonito.
Repeat the process with the rest of the batter and voila! You made yourself some healthy and delicious flourless pancakes.
No.
Like I immediately knew that sound, just like se quebró el huevo. So I'm in the middle of recording and my tripod decides to break. Now, to be fair, this was like 74 cents, so I guess I'll have to find other ways to record.